Today we're going to demonstrate how to detect and correct a chiropractic subluxation using an adjustment. So the way we evaluate the spine, we have our patient here, Jose, is we get a feel of the spine, we find the areas of the spine that are not moving properly or they're stuck, and then we determine where and how we need to adjust this. So we would use an instrument or our hand, and we begin to gently mobilize the vertebra in the position in the way that it needs to go. Then we recheck, make sure that the joint is now moving properly. And when it is, now the brain can actually send nerve flow to the body, and the body can communicate with the brain, and the body is able to do what it was created to do, which is heal itself. That's a chiropractic adjustment. God bless you and live life well.